Hello everyone. It's a new paint I'm working on, Magenta Creek. I wanted to give you an update on my hair and what has happened to it since the exploding car radiator incidents. I have to tell you, when I woke up Sunday morning, it was just as lustrous and full-bodied as I'd ever seen it before. Today, 3 days later, it's still holding up well. So what had happened was all that radiator, that hot, rusty radiator fluid from my friend's old Slick Crown Vic blew up and just soaked my hair. I had to spend a lot of time soaking it in hot water, then I washed it twice. I have to say I'm onto something. So, having said that, I've decided to bottle this elixir, this hair tonic. It's going to be called the Youngstown Tune Up. I'll be selling it all around town, at your favorite bar, at your favorite flea market. It's going to come in a big old bottle, and it's going to be the good stuff. I don't know how else to say it. Straight from a Slick Crown Vic radiator. It's going to be rusty and oily, and you're going to love it. I'm looking out for you, Youngstown, and I'm looking out for your hair.